Yeah, I don't know what was that about. Chain pop. I was like, what the heck? I felt my chain being a little loose. And I got oil all on my hands. Like, bro. I should have got up more earlier. Morning, y'all. Taking my bike to work. I ain't rode in a while, so I'm gonna take it to work. Yeah, I ain't rode in a while, so definitely gonna take it. Ooh. Oh shit, my chain. Hey. My chain came on. That was weird. All this oil on me, really. Oh, it's stuck. It's stuck because of this. You gotta be kidding me. Hold on. Right before I might go to work, really. A chain is like super loose. I don't know how that happened, but it's like very loose. Yeah, pop again. I can't like get up and ride fast. I gotta sit down. Damn. Yeah, it's like super loose. I have to fix that when I get to work. Yeah, I can't go fast. So I'm gonna have to take these off and basically move it back so it can get pulled. I don't know how my chain got loose. That's weird, but or it's even the chain getting, I forgot what's it called. Not tight no more. Probably have to buy another chain, new chain for it. That's what I was gonna do anyway. Oh, come on, bro. On a Friday, it had to be on a Friday, bro. I don't know what's going on today. It's like I'm having a bike problem. Yesterday my tire bust on my other bike. Today the chain loose on this bike. I'm like, what's going on with my bikes? Nah, this bike new too, so I was like, that's weird. Well, it's fixed now, so I was about to try to fix gear, but I was like, I'm gonna be too tired. Might as well just coast. tires for this bike coming though. But I ain't have a problem fixing this bike. That's the thing about this bike. Like, it's like, okay, the chain might be loose or something like that. It's just the other bike. It's a pain in the ass, bro. They can't go right here, so. Good morning. Ugh. And you know what's so crazy about the other bike, bro? I had a feeling that I was going. I had a feeling not my chain, what's it called again? My tires gonna pop. Like 2 days before I put it on the other one. This right here getting new tires though. This bike right here is getting new tires. I gotta get over. Oh, what was that went in the hole? But yeah, I could have been here. My chain wouldn't pop. Kept popping. But it's all good. It's better late than not going. Bro, my chain had popped again. I think the reason why my pegs on my bike, it was in the way. So I put the washers back on. Also too, I'm thinking about getting a second chain just in case this chain pops. Like pop.